Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best beach wagons that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Max Sports Collapsible Folding Outdoor Utility Wagon. By choosing this wagon, you will be capable of completing a wide assortment of tasks outdoors and indoors. With the aid of this unit, you can carry the beach gear, sports gear, camping gear, to name a few. It boasts of the multi-purpose design, and thus, you can also choose it for the completion of work in the yard. Several beach lovers across the world consider it as they do not need to assemble it. Instead, they can set it up without any hassles. With a thickness of 8 inches, it counts to be a better alternative during travel. Besides this, you can keep it in the closet or car. Owing to its lightweight, you do not need to face any issues while transporting it. It is equipped with a steel frame of 150 pounds to enhance additional durability. Thus, you can put a lot of products in it. Moreover, the polyester fabric lines are known to line the car, and thus it can be cleaned easily. Hence, it is recognized to be a suitable item for accomplishing a plethora of tasks. It includes the adjustable pull handle, and thus you do not need to put extreme effort to pull the cart. It is a wonderful option to haul the gear for the trips, concerts, sporting events, to name a few. Again, it has 2 different mesh cup holders for keeping the beverages safe and secure. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Timber Ridge Folding Wagon. This model happens to be the best choice for people who want a heavy-duty part that comes with a plethora of space. This unit can support the maximum weight of 150 pounds. You can take it with you in a football stadium, for shopping, gardening, laundry room, beach, camping, and different outdoor works. It has plenty of room, and it has become very popular owing to its high functionality. It is designed for people who traverse over the rocky and sandy terrain. It features the semi-closed design, and thus you can carry a bundle of essentials of various shapes with you. As you don't need to install it, you will be capable of saving a lot of space and time. You can carry different essentials for daily use with the aid of this product. It has 4 large-sized wheels, each with an 8-inch diameter. Also, it has 2 different front wheels that are capable of rotating up to 360 degrees. You can maneuver it around the corner easily. Potential users are capable of adjusting the retractable handle with the aid of the button. It has 2 different cup holders for keeping the beverages during the camping. Moreover, a zippered storage bag is present on either side, which plays a crucial role in keeping the items properly and organized. You can find 3 different fold pads on the bottom to place the products. Again, the fabric and steel frame contributes to make it a heavy-duty wagon. It includes a compact design, and hence it can be folded easily. You can place the collapsible wagon easily in the trunk while going out. At number 3, we have the Creative Outdoor All-Terrain Collapsible Folding Wagon Cart. This beach wagon can support a weight of almost 150 pounds. You will be capable of maneuvering the product on a wide array of terrains. It has front wheels which can be swiveled at 360 degrees so that you can move it easily. The fabric is known to be durable and tough, and hence it is capable of handling almost everything that comes at it. You can clean it easily by just wiping it. As it is portable, you can carry it from one place to the other without any hassles. It is also recognized to be a travel-friendly product, and thus you can choose to take it during the next trip. Other accessories that come with it are removable cooler, removable tray, removable canopy top. At number 2, we have the REDCAMP Folding Beach Wagon Cart. This beach wagon stands second to none in offering an amazing outdoor experience. Weighing 22.5 pounds, it can support almost 120 pounds. Hence, you will be capable of taking it to any place easily. You can also be ensured that it is not going to take a lot of the space in the car or trunk as it is compact. With this unit, you can carry vital goods for the park, sports, camping, beach, shopping, and different outdoor sporting events. Though it is a little small in size, the durability makes it worth the price. As the handle does not have any position lock, it is possible to maneuver it from all angles. This beach wagon is capable of supporting the maximum weight of 120 pounds. Hence, you will be capable of taking it anywhere, catering to your needs. The wheels of this unit can rotate around 360 degrees and hence you can make sure that it is going to roll easily on the sand. It is made of a metal build frame which adds to its stability. As it is composed of 1200D polyester canvas, you can be ensured that it will be resistant to wear and tear. And finally at number 1, we have the Max Sports Collapsible Folding All-Terrain Utility Wagon. This folding beach wagon has some cool features which have captivated the heart of the end user. You will be capable of carrying the backyard essentials easily by choosing this product. Due to the giant wheels, you will be capable of rolling the product over various surfaces easily. It features a large capacity interior and hence it is believed to be an excellent choice for carrying snacks, beach toys, camping gears, and different outdoor essentials. Owing to the heavy-duty frame, it is capable of carrying the maximum weight of 150 pounds. It is 10 inches in thickness and hence you can store it easily in the coat closet or car trunk. It is preferred over other beach wagons, available in the market as it comes with a phone holder and ready-made cup holders. The 2 ready-made cup holders have proved to be a boon for the users as they can keep the snacks and drinks at a close distance by choosing this product. Apart from this, the telescoping and adjustable handle provides hassle-free transport. Hence, it is believed to be a great choice for drivers of all sizes. You can buy this product for carrying different essentials during concerts, camping, trips, and other outdoor events. As you purchase this product, you do not need to make several trips, as you can carry them all the required goods at once. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.